Once you're a partner at a big law firm, you are doing well. You are handling good transactions, good number of transactions which are reported here and there. You don't want to go anywhere, but you are invited. You know? so if not on your own volition, you are invited. The headhunters, they keep chasing you.
So hello everybody, welcome back to FG Rocket. Today we have Bhumesh Verma sir with us. तो जो कोई भी थोड़ा भी LinkedIn में एक्टिव है when it comes to our legal community, you must know sir because sir, I mean at least me and Parth have been following sir since our first year. So वैसे तो sir आपका introduction, I mean you actually don't need an introduction, but still sir is also a passer from CLC, so he's a senior of ours. And sir पहले partner थे, he was a former partner at Khaitan, Paras Kuhar and Link Legal. Scheduling scholar रहे हैं sir, and he featured amongst the top 100 lawyers in Indian Business Law Journal. Right now sir partner हैं Corp Comm legal में. Almost 30 years हो चुके हैं sir को commercial side of litigation में. अभी now sir just recently told me कि आज sir का आज ही 30th year start हुआ है. And sir guest professor भी हैं at various NLUs and other law colleges. So thank you so much sir for finding time and coming here. Thank you so much.
Pleasure to be here.
तो सर सबसे पहले तो ये क्वेश्चन रहता है कि सर सिंस आप पार्टनर हैं इतने बड़े बड़े फर्म्स में, राइट, तो सब एवरीबडी विशेस टू बी पार्टनर एंड टू रीच अ कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन. सो क्या आपका क्या मोटिवेशन रहता है कि मेरे को अभी स्विच करना है, यू नो, फ्रॉम दिस फर्म टू द अदर फर्म?
Well, the reasons for different people to switch firms after becoming a partner or even starting their own law firm, the reasons differ from people to people. Some people want more money. Some people want a better location. For some people, you know, they reach a saturation level in the practice area within a particular firm. They feel there is no more challenge left in the firm they are working with. They are looking for a bigger role. Or there could be another firm which is working more extensively in his or her practice vertical. So the reasons actually or the motivators for such change are different for different people. And there is another interesting element. Sometimes there is a problem of plenty. Once you're a partner at a big law firm, you are doing well. You are handling good transactions, good number of transactions which are reported here and there. You don't want to go anywhere, but you are invited. You know? so if not on your own volition, you are invited. The headhunters, they keep chasing you. That, you know, there lies a better opportunity for you. And some people like me have a fan club, you know, absolutely, across the table as well. Sometimes even your, you know, opposing counsel, they may approach you that, you know, you are doing so well. That has happened to me once in my, you know, corporate law career, that from a senior associate position in a boutique law firm, the next switch was become a partner in top 5 law firms. So situations and the motivations differ.
Yeah, okay. तो सर जैसे जो वर्क कल्चर रहता है अलग अलग फर्म में, सिंस यू वर्कड इन अ लॉट ऑफ फर्म, बीइंग एसोसिएट काफी सारी फर्म्स में, तो सिमिलर रहता है कॉर्पोरेट साइड में या कुछ फर्क रहता है, कुछ स्टार्क डिफरेंसेस रहते हैं वर्क कल्चर में?
Well, all families differ in how they function, how close knit they are working as, you know, they are, some families are dysfunctional also. So law firm also have different cultures. Some are like formal, very structured, very organized. There's an SOP for everything that you do within that law firm, and some are a bit relaxed in some way. There are flexibilities, open door policy, you can approach anyone anytime for anything and so on. The promoter's role is very important in cultivating culture of a law firm. You want to make it formal or informal, whether people are accessible or not. How much stress do you put on, the time sheets, office hours, leaves, maternity leave policy, and so many other things. How much do you stress upon work-life balance of your people? That differs from firm to firm. But by and large, I have seen in the last 1 decade in particular, the firms are becoming more human, to say. I think that's a welcome change, particularly when it comes to leave for women in the difficult times. So and COVID-19 was also a period which tested some of these parameters, and some firms have adopted a more flexible policy for the people in terms of flexibility to work from home or work from office, and flexibility in terms of the timings that you start your work and you finish your work, and working remotely, I guess. So it differs again.
Sir, आप commercial international law में काफी टाइम से हैं. So what exactly is commercial international law? And अगर किसी को एक law school का बच्चा है, tier 2 city का या tier 3 जगह का, and he wants to get into commercial law school, law practice, तो वो कैसे जाए? क्या LLM करना पड़ेगा इंटरनेशनली, या बहुत ही बड़ी फॉर्म से जुड़ना पड़ेगा पहले? तो क्या उसका inroads क्या रहेंगे?
Well, as I said earlier, the profession is very well democratized these days. All the options are open to everyone. So no one can say that only these privileged students have these, access to all these, and I have not. There's no excuse these days. Everyone has access to technology, social media, the openings, everything. So what you need to do is to try focusing on your strength areas. Try to find where your passion lies. Try to see where you would have an edge in your career. Which practice area excites you the most. If you think the commercial laws, how the economy works, how the transactions happen, how the contracts are executed, performed, and enforced, maybe you can choose commercial law practice. The temperament is different in litigation practice and corporate law practice. I keep sharing it in my workshops and talks. If you are more vocal, if you are argumentative, you should go for litigation practice. If you are conciliatory, if you are cool and calm, I think corporate law is a better option for you, because in litigation your focus is to win a case. How do you win a case? You need to emphasize, you need to repeat, you need to drill your argument in the judge's mind. So your attitude is confrontationist, right? Beating up your opponent to pulp. Corporate law practice is altogether different ball game. In corporate law, you have to bring fighting parties together. Parties with conflicting interest, very divergent interests together on the same platform to do business together. Right. So there has to be this difference of approach. So if you think you are made up for that, you can choose corporate law practice. And now the world is so open. It's a global village, really, in true sense. Since our economy was liberalized in 1991. Thereon, more and more, each and every successive government has opened the door more for foreign investment. So there's a two-way flow of industries, services, people, technology. India is the biggest recipient of foreign investments, most attractive destination for foreign investors, and Indian entrepreneurs are going everywhere in the world, collaborating in terms of acquisitions, joint ventures, technology transfers, and so on. So the opportunities, there are immense opportunities in international corporate practice. So to hone all these skills, you need to start early. Start learning as much as possible from as early days in your law school itself. Start concentrating on corporate law subjects, international laws, be aware of international economy, business treaties that keep happening with between countries. Read economic newspapers. Be knowledgeable, do electives pertaining to these segments. Even foreign law firms have so many online courses, free of cost, for global students. Students can take access to these courses and hone their skills in international corporate commercial practice. So the avenues, Charvi, I cannot tell you how much resources are available to today's students for honing their skills towards this practice vertical.
That's actually
it's very vast. Yes,
that will be very helpful for the students, because this is not something which is very discussed. I mean, when it comes to law school conversations that we used to have 2-3 months back, because now we've passed out. So वहाँ पे ऐसे discussions इतना होता नहीं था कि this foreign international firm is providing this course, or we should take this up, because it पहले ही रहता है कि नहीं हो पाएगा.
No, and these are open to all. There is no impediment to any law student anywhere in the world. These are open to all.
That's great. मतलब अगर इसको जान करके समझ करके फिर then we'll start having openings, तब जानेंगे तो आगे बढ़े पाएंगे ना.
Yes.
Okay. तो सर आपका जो फर्म है कॉम लीगल में, अगर किसी को इंटर्नशिप चाहिए हो तो आपका क्या क्राइटेरिया रहता है देखने के लिए कि क्या ये फलानी चीज होनी चाहिए अच्छे में?
क्वेश्चन में भाई सीएलसी से तो कोई बेनिफिट मिलता है?
Yeah. So Bharat is asking this question, any discount for CLC people or law faculty people? Let's just be nice to everybody, all the centers.
Well, we are very open to internships. We do not discriminate. We are not biased towards any particular law school. The criteria is simple. You need to apply. You apply with your credentials as to what have you done so far. Usually we take interns from 3rd year onwards for 5-year courses, and 2nd year onwards in 3-year courses. So you need to substantiate your claims that these are my interest areas and this is what I have done in this area. This is the edge I hold over other candidates, because every law firm, big and small, has at least 100 times the applications
than the openings.
So bigger law firms have bigger challenges. But let me tell you, we were one of the first law firms, if not the first Indian law firm, to open up online internships in India 7 years back.
7 years back?
7 years back. It was not forced by COVID. And when I used to speak about these online internships in NLUs and elsewhere, people would either not understand or simply laugh at it. Ridicule. What is this? But this has given us the flexibility to accommodate students from all over India without having to travel, without having to incur expenditure on this travel and stay and other out-pocket expenses. They can work from their own place, at their own pace, at the time they are comfortable. So we have had the, I would say, privilege of working with some of best Indian law students through these online internships. We have published their legal research submissions on various national and international platforms as well, giving credit to them.
Okay.
And basis are LORs and internship certificates and recommendations. Many of them would even find admission in best of global law schools for their LLM.
Oh, nice. That's great. So I think, sir, I mean, also one more thing that I would like to mention here is, sir ने बहुत amazing books लिखी है contract drafting पे, and sir was one of the people जिन्होंने ये चीज start करी थी मार्केट में कि कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ड्राफ्टिंग की जो nitty-gritties होती हैं सर ने ही एक्चुअली स्टार्ट किया था. 7 years back, as you said,
Yes.
7 years back, and sir has written really good books, and sir काफी मतलब शेयर भी करते हैं अपना नॉलेज on LinkedIn as well. We'll put the link in the description, sorry. And also sir का जो ID होगा sir will put it so that whenever people want to apply,
Sure.
LinkedIn ID also will put it there. So that just in case you want to apply for the internship, आप apply कर सकते हैं sir के साथ में. So thank you so much sir आपके टाइम के लिए, आपकी mentorship के लिए, आपकी एनर्जी के लिए. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.